Hello dear viewers. It is possible to easily earn up to several dollars a day with the help of the site that I will present you today. Of course, there is no need to make any investment. Also, this way of making money is very easy. It is possible to earn several $100s per month just by clicking links and completing tasks. I will share this site in the comment section. Let's begin. Now, for those of you who might not be familiar, PTCShare is a pay-to-click advertising platform that allows users to earn money by viewing ads, completing offers, and referring others. It's been around for a while and has gained a reputation for being a reliable way to earn some extra cash online. Getting started with PTCShare is pretty straightforward. All you need to do is sign up for a free account, which only takes a few minutes. Once you have logged in, you will have access to your dashboard where you can view available ads, completing tasks, and track your earnings. First of all, you must click login button. Once you login up, you must enter your email and password. But first of all, click the sign up button. Apply the following informations as username, password, repeat your password, email and repeat your email, and confirm you are not robot. After these manipulations, you have to receive the verification email from the PTCShare. Just you need just click the link that send PTCShare.com. After verification, you have just received 100 BAPs as a welcome bonus. This is tutorial for how to begin to gain extra cash from this site. PTCShare is a bit different from all other pay-to-click sites out there as we value members for their activity and commitment by giving you more chances to earn and grow your earnings. On this page, you have an overview of most important things. It's PTCShare and your status a member. This is a tutorial. You can skip it and you can watch it or read it or etc. Let's look at the next. Here you can see an overview of things to do to help maximize your earnings. Try to complete as many of them as you can to make the most out of the PTCShare. The next. When you had a proper look, it's time to start earning. Head up to the paid ads page. You can always see if you have any ads to complete. To start receiving ads, you first have to have activated account. We activate this account. I told about it 2 minutes ago. You simply have to view an activation ad to do that. This will also give you free bonus at points BAP. We received 100 BAPs, which determine how much cash as you can receive. The more BAP you have, the more you can earn. There are various ways to grow your BAP. This is one of the should definitely do daily. Once you activated your account, you will be able to start receiving cash ads. This might be sent at different times, so make sure to check back at least once daily. The next, and these are your reward and achievement widgets. They show you progress and simple ways via which you can increase your earnings as well as how much free BAP you can get extra. Try to complete as many of them to maximize your earnings. You can check this at any time to see if there is something new you should try and complete. Now that you got the basic covered, you can have a look at all of our other features, from playing games and cash offers, completing offer rolls. Then buy ads. You can buy ads from this site. Also, you can upgrade and manage your account in this site. We're done with tutorial. Let's begin to earn. Let's begin into one of the core features of PTCShare, earning money by viewing ads. For this, we must click the Earn button in the dashboard and View Ads section. So how does it work? Well, it's pretty simple. Each ad will have a specified duration that you need to view it for in order to earn money. This can range from a few seconds to a minute or more depending on the advertiser's preferences. To begin to earn money, just click the View Activation ad. Then you must solve the captcha. This is our ad. You can click to play. In this case, the PTCShare will gain more money, but you don't have to do that. You can solve the captcha and confirm. Click or touch the trash and click the confirm. Then please wait the 4, 3, 2, 1 second, and then success is just earn the 5 BAPs. Then you can close the window or click the next ad. Let's close the window. Then you can earn primary dollar. This is 1 cent. Then view the paid ad. Then click or touch the key. Click the key, confirm. Then please wait 14-15 seconds. Then you can earn the free money. Mesela bundan belki esasen şurada. Each ad will have a specified duration that you need to view it for in order to earn money. This can range from a few seconds to a minute or more depending on the advertiser's preferences. Once timer runs out, you will be credited with a specified amount of money, which will be added to your account balance. Now, you might be wondering how much can you actually earn by viewing ads? Well, the amount you can earn per ad can vary depending on the factors such as the length of the ad and the advertiser's budget. Generally, you can expect to earn anywhere from a few cents to few dollars per ad or view. If you're looking to maximize your earnings from viewing ads, there are a few tips to keep in mind. First, be sure to check the ads section regularly for new ads. The more ads you view, the more you can earn. As you can see, we have 15 view ads offers. If you multiply the average 5 cents to the 15, we can get the 18, 19 cents in several hours a day. Second, consider upgrading your account to premium membership. Premium members typically have access to more ads and higher paying opportunities, so it can be worth the investment if you are serious about earning money on PTCShare. And finally, don't forget to click on the ads that offer bonuses or rewards. Some ads may offer additional incentives such as bonus points or enterprises drawings. So be sure to take advantage of these opportunities to boost your earnings even further. Another interesting feature on the PTCShare is the Click to Grid section. This is a fun and potentially rewarding activity that adds a bit excitement to your earnings journey. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Click to Grid is essentially a grid of clickable squares, each representing a chance to win a prize. You'll find this section within your PTCShare account dashboard. Simply navigate to the Click to Grid tab and click on it. Your task is to click on any square of your choice, and behind each square there could be a prize waiting for you. Prizes can range from bonus points to cash rewards, and even opportunities to win referrals or upgrade your account. The prizes are randomly distributed across the grid, so it's all about luck and a chance. You might uncover a prize with your first click, or it might take a few tries before you strike lucky. It's like a digital scratch card, adding an element of excitement to your earning journey. Let's try it. For example, this one. But first, you must watch ad, click or touch the sofa, then confirm, then wait 5 seconds. Yeah, that was real close. Try your luck next time. You can play again, then click the another grid, scratch it, click or touch the windsurfer, uh, confirm, wait 5 seconds, and uh, repeat it 20 times. That was really close. Play again. As you can see, we have more 18 tries to get any money. Let's try one more and begin the next section. Let's try this one. Click or touch the swimmer, confirm, wait 5 seconds. That was really close. Try your luck next time. Play again. We don't play again. Next talk about the PTC balls section. Now let's explore the game section of the PTCShare. This section offers a fun and interactive way to potentially earn additional reward while taking a break from the other earning activities on the platform. Let's dive in. The game section features a variety of casual games that users can play for a chance to win prizes. These games range from the simple arcade-style games to more strategic puzzles, providing something for everyone to enjoy. Let's play the coin flip game. Click the play now button. Then enter your bet and then click heads or tails. Amount of mint is 100. But let's decrease by 10. The bet below the game is minimum. That's on 100 and heads. You get from tails. Play again. Let's choose the heads again. But my balance is insufficient for bet. Now let's explore another important aspect of the PTCShare, the cashier section. This is where you can manage your earnings, make withdrawals, and handle other financial transactions related to your account. Let's delve into how the cashier section works. You click your username and then cashier. Please provide date of birth to continue. Security question. Let's take my date of birth. 98. Proceed. Then the cashier section serves as a financial hub of your PTCShare account. Here you can view your balance, withdraw earnings, purchase advertising credits, upgrade your membership, and more. Then you can add funds or cash out with several ways. For example, Perfect Money, Payer, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. Then in the cashier section facilitates various financial transactions, allowing you to manage your earning and investments on PTCShare. Whether you are looking to cash out your earnings, invest in advertising for your business, or unlock premium features with a membership upgrade, the cashier section has you covered. Here are a few tips to help you make the most of the cashier section. Plan your withdrawals carefully to minimize fees and maximize efficiency. Keep track of your account balance and earning to ensure you are always aware of how much you have available to withdraw or invest. Take advantage of any special promotions or discounts offered in the cashier section, such as discounted advertising credits or limited time membership upgrades. And that's a wrap for today's exploration of PTCShare. We have covered everything from earning by viewing ads to playing games and managing your finances through the cashier section. Whether you are looking to make some extra cash in your spare time or promote your business through advertising, PTCShare offers a range of opportunities to help you achieve your goals. I hope you found this overview helpful and informative. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with PTCShare, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and insights on making money online. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy earning!